Like I said earlier, it is really an honor to have Ali Nuhu as part of the SUN family. We call it SUN in short form, and the reason being, number one, like I said, I have never seen a hard-working man as much as Ali Nuhu, and I have never seen a person who works so passionately with all his energy, enthusiasm, through all these years since 1999, and he's still standing. Despite all the challenges and all the cultural differences that we had and all the views we have about media and filming, we all know how our culture is. But his vision and our vision, Skyline University, align together, and which is why I feel we are, a family. Already we have his daughter studying with us, which makes him even more, which makes it even more interesting. And I believe together we'll be able to impact the youth through media. With his unveiling, we will be able to impact our young generation in the educational way, inshallah. I would like to congratulate you and officially, on behalf of Skyline University Nigeria, welcome you to the SUN family. Thank you so much. Now we can sign.
Allah, the beneficent, the merciful. Good morning, everyone. Trust you're all well. Well, most times when I get to partner with brands, I am not only excited but also passionate. Passionate because I'm one person that likes touching people's lives. When you look at the industry in which I belong, over the years, I've tried in as much as I can to see that I touch a lot of people's lives by bringing them in, promoting them, getting them to a certain level, then let them be on their own. So, because education is the passport to the future, as Malcolm X stated, I feel this is a platform you're giving me to impact on your students' life positively. Initially, the entertainment industry in northern Nigeria was looked down upon. But gradually, when people that were into the education sector started believing in entertainment from northern Nigeria by doing researches, sending their students to work on projects related to the industry, then a new door was opened for the industry. It was able to spread its tentacles. People were able to believe in the industry because they realized that there are things you can learn from the industry. There are things that without the industry, they cannot be possible. So I feel the education sector matters a lot when it comes to entertainment. Thank you very much for bringing me on board. As for the students, Aisha, who represented the students, said something. I met her one time with a project for HCR in Abuja, and I even thought she was a graduate. I thought she was there from an organization she was working for. So when I saw her here, I was surprised. Because I couldn't imagine a student, from an institution in Kano with so much confidence. This goes to show that the institution is worth what it is. Now, my daughter was admitted into this institution about 6 months ago, I'll say. And after 3 months, she completely transformed and became a new person entirely. Wow. You see, this should be attributed to what the institution inculcated in her. She used to be a very shy person. She's an introvert. She hardly involves herself in conversations, even at home. But now she's a new person. She's outspoken, she is. When I saw her grades, I was surprised. So I just felt there's a problem in the society. Probably when she was in secondary school, there wasn't this connect between her and the teachers in school. But I think this institution provides that connect between students and their lecturers. The environment makes it very easy and very comfortable for them to study. So associating myself with such an institution is a thing of pride. I walk with my shoulders high up. So thank you very much for having me on board, and I'll do my best to see that I become a part of the family, one. Secondly, get involved in not just the things I'm signed to do, but I'll go extra mile to do more than what is expected. Thank you very much for having me on board. You can directly drop to me.